Hi there, in this video we will be finding out what that means and how we can fix it. Thanks for CMX for another error. This is a more complex problem, but most people report that this happens when the car was left unlocked for a long period of time and the battery drained a little bit. Of course, it could be also mechanically defective, but let's see this. What they report is put on the contact as I was saying again, but my wife left the music really loud, so I had to stop the video for a second. And just press this thing a few times. You can hear the clicks. I can hear them in both rear doors, so they are working. And now let's get rid of the contact. And yeah, let me open the door, close the door. No error whatsoever. So yeah, in my case that clears it. Hope it also works for you. I will link in the description a forum where more people discuss about this thing on the CMX, and hopefully other fixes work for you in case this didn't. So yeah, hope this video helps you and see you in the next one. Bye.